Alright, so right here, this is the passenger side. This is where they join in the middle. And I'm sorry, this is the front passenger side. This is where they're gonna join in the middle. This goes up to the last cylinder. This is the driver's side. This one here comes off of the master cylinder. So I say the what's that thing? I can't think of portioning valve. Comes off the portioning valve to this piece here, and this here runs all the way back. You see on the ground there to the red. These are our tools right here that we're gonna get into. What we're gonna use to make these lines, and that's what we're doing today. Now I'm gonna tell you. My first time doing this, so we're gonna see how this works. All right. Side, yeah, and then we try to connect it to that bypass. I guess it would be a bypass or a triple connection, whatever you want to call it, a T. But that's what we're gonna do. So let's try to work this one here. Went and bought this thing right here because this one here was the only way I'm gonna be able to bend these. So and there you have it, our first piece. Now, I'm gonna make all these brake lines up, and then as soon as I get through making these brake lines, I'm gonna get back to you. Well, let me just say, my friends, that this job is more than I expected. Should I say we are 3-4 hours later, and this is what I got. Yeah, there you go. So this is the passenger side. This one here is the driver's side. This goes up to the portioning valve. This one runs to the back of the portioning valve, and all the way back down here is the ass end. So we are about to put this stuff in, and we are going to make this thing happen. Okay, we are going to make it happen. So let's get to it. Right. So the first thing we're gonna do is, as you can see, I gotta run my wire from here. Get this right here. Gotta run one from here. We're not way wire, but one of my lines from here all the way across, then up. So what we're gonna do here is that we're gonna take this off, and we're gonna take that off, and we're gonna run it through it. All right. So I don't want to say let me get set up and do it. I'm just gonna do it. All right. These lines are so doggone soft. It's been so easy. Let's go over there. So you turn it over there. Here. Look right down on me. This one is for I think I'm gonna do that one first. I'm mistaken. Okay, let's take this other side back loose. Let's take this one back loose. Up there. There you go, right there. I'm gonna take that one loose again because I need to pull this one up a bit so I can go get this. Pull you that way. Remember I said that so-called key. Right here. So I need this thing here to meet here in the middle. This is not the easiest thing to do. I just need y'all to know that. Okay, now let's see if we can get these. Oh, not you over again. Always doing it. Hope I didn't get no snot. My nose is running a little bit here. Okay, let me do this one that's coming down then. Since it want to be outrageous, let me do the one coming down. Oh boy. Right. All right, we got that one going. The last one I need to get done is this one. It wants to get beside itself. As you can see, we got it done here. That's the front brakes. Go down there. What you can't see right now, it ties into a T. Here go the rear brakes. And that's our job right there. We're done with it. All we gotta do is put fluid in it. Bleed. Well, I gotta take this back off anyway. Bleed this. and then I'll put some fluid in it, and then that'll be our brakes, and we'll bleed them. That should be our brakes. I'm thinking the next couple of weeks we should be able to move it a little bit. I mean, I'm gonna probably start it in the next video. That's what I'll do. I'm gonna start it in the next video, so be on the lookout for that. So just gonna end that video. Like, comment, subscribe, and get in the garage and get in the grind mode. Peace.